What's up, online shoppers? If you own a Blackstone griddle, you're gonna wanna have this accessory kit. It gives you everything you need to feel like a Blackstone expert while you are cooking. This is a bonus. It's the Blackstone Essential Cookbook. I didn't even know this was coming in the box. Here are 2 Blackstone squirt bottles, 2 Blackstone spatulas, and a Blackstone scraper. With these 2 spatulas, you've got a great combination for flipping, moving, and mixing anything you have on your Blackstone griddle. This tool here is also pretty awesome. The scraper can be used to move food off of the Blackstone surface. It can also be used to chop things up on the surface, like mix around your scrambled eggs, cut up ground beef into smaller pieces. But the main purpose of this is really to get that stuck on grease and food off of the griddle if by some chance it happens to stick. Because remember, for the most part, if you season your griddle properly, it's non-stick. Now, before I was a Blackstone cooker and I was just one of those people that cooked on a barbecue, I had no idea what you would use these for. But these actually have become essential to my whole cooking approach on the Blackstone. One always has water in it, and that is for the cleanup at the end of cooking. Now, you're not supposed to get your griddle wet except for a very brief time after you've taken your food off. You can fill this with water and spray the surface of your griddle and use it to help break up anything that has cooked on or that needs to be moved to the back. Now, the back of your griddle actually has a space for grease draining. Once you put your water on the surface, you can actually use the scraper to move all of the food back towards the drain at the back of your griddle and really get it a good clean. Now, of course, once you've put the water on and scraped away all the debris, that's when you call in the Blackstone seasoning and cast iron conditioner. And this, like I said, I didn't even know you were getting this, but this is a full color illustrated cookbook with all kinds of delicious recipes that you can prepare on your Blackstone griddle. That was a bonus we didn't even know we were getting. If you are looking for an awesome gift for a Blackstone lover, or you just want to treat yourself, this 5-piece kit with the bonus cookbook for Blackstone with the spatulas, scraper, and squeeze bottles is definitely a family favorite at my house.